Hello, this is John and Blair, and we're with Zoom Physical Therapy, and we're going to be talking about forward head posture today. This is associated with a lot of current jobs today out in the world, with desk jobs, people that have to drive a long way for their jobs. Also, all the different technology that's out there with iPads and desktops, and people playing on the Xbox, the PlayStations. A lot of those postures are associated with forward head posture and can accentuate that. So what we're going to do is show you some different exercises that you can do to help combat that. And these are easy exercises. You can do them at your desk at work, while you're taking a 10-minute break or so. You can also do them at home. So the first exercise that we're going to show you today is going to be associated with your neck, of course, because that's what we're talking about in regards to the forward head posture. Usually what you want to do is you want to try to strengthen the muscles back here, but we're also going to be strengthening some muscles that are going to be here in the neck. Those are the scalene muscles. So the first exercise is going to be what we call a chin tuck. They're also called axial extensions, and Blair's going to kind of show you how we're going to do that. You're going to bring your chin straight back. And a lot of times people will put two fingers on their chin so they know they're doing it correctly. You're not going to want to go down with your chin, and you're not going to want to go up. You go straight back. Hold it for 3 seconds. So you can just count to 3 and then relax. So what you're doing is you're strengthening all the muscles and the deep cervical spine muscles that you're strengthening. We're not going to go into detail on all those muscles. As long as you're doing the correct posture or the correct technique, it's going to help with those muscles in regards to correcting the forward head posture. You want to do 3 sets of 10, and then you move on to the next exercise. Our next exercise is going to be associated with the chin tuck, but we're also going to add a dip to it. These are the scalene muscles that are on stretch all the time. We're going to want to strengthen those, just like you would strengthen your bicep. Contracting the muscle, we're going to contract the scalene muscle. So Blair's going to go into the chin tuck again, and then she's going to dip down just a little bit, hold it for 3 count, and then relax. And you do 3 sets of 10 of those. The most important part of this exercise is that you're holding it for 3 seconds. You want to sustain the contraction, so you're retraining that muscle. Now, third exercise, we're going to use this expensive piece of equipment. It's a little $5 volleyball. We deflate the volleyball about 50%. That way we can fit it behind you. What you're going to want to do is put it in between your shoulder blades and the chair. So this next exercise we're going to do is going to be called a posterior shoulder roll, or just rolling your shoulders backwards. Okay, this one you don't have to hold. You're just going to kind of squeeze the ball with your shoulder blades and roll your shoulders backwards. And you can do 3 sets of 10 of these as well. This is a very good exercise that you can do at your desk while you're working at your desk. It really helps to remind you to keep your shoulders back and your chin tucked. So that's the third exercise. Now the fourth exercise that we're going to perform is going to be kind of the same, but what I want you to do is I want you to retract. So you're going to kind of bring your elbows back, and you're kind of wrapping your shoulder blades around that. You could use a volleyball, you can use a soccer ball. Just deflate them about 50%. You're going to hold these for 3 seconds, and again, you want to do 3 sets of 10 of these as well. The whole time you're keeping your chin in a neutral position. You're not tucking it down, or you're not looking up. These are excellent for helping you to remember to keep correct posture. It also works some of the other muscle groups that are in between your shoulder blades that help keep your shoulders back. Okay, now the last exercise that I want to show you is going to be an isometric exercise. This is going to be to help strengthen the neck muscles, okay? And this isometric exercise we do, there's 6 different ways of doing it, but what we do is we take 2 fingers. So Blair's going to show you 2 fingers, and what you want to do is you want to push with your 2 fingers into your forehead, so you're having to actually contract the muscles in your neck, okay? And you're going to hold those for 5 seconds. We only do 10 repetitions of these, but you hold it for 5 seconds. You can see the musculature in Blair's neck contracting. This is going to help in regards to strengthening the muscles, because most of the time with the forward head posture, you're going to be on stretch. So we do on the forehead, then we go behind, so you're going to work the posterior muscles. We're also going to do to the side. You hold for 5 seconds and do 10 repetitions. And then of course we go this way. And the last two are rotary, so you're going to put your to the side of your head, and like you're trying to rotate your head, but you're going to hold those for 5 seconds as well, 10 repetitions. So those are 5 simple exercises that you can do for forward head posture. If you like our channel, you subscribe to our channel, we'd appreciate it. Come back to see us in the comment section if you want to know about anything in regards to physical therapy. Give us a comment, and we'll talk about that on our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.